Square, Bangalore Supermom 2016. We hope you're all excited to be a part of this show today. If you are, let's hear it for all the mums who made it to the top 15. Yes? You want to make some noise for them? Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, super moms. It's great to see all of you gathered here today to celebrate something very exciting. Yes, that person is super. She's super talented, super patient, super selfless, super caring, super strong. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, she is the super mom. Today we have with us super moms who have sacrificed a great deal for their kids, who have gone to extreme extents to make sure their kids are safe and educated, who have fought it out with the world being on their child's side. Today we are here to celebrate a very beautiful concept of motherhood. This contest has been designed to showcase those talents of a mother which in everyday life are ignored and taken for granted. Through this contest, we also aim at bringing out the aspects of a mother that are generally brushed off, their opinions, their beliefs. A big salute to the Mantri Square Mall for providing us this platform, to the mothers of Bangalore. My name is Usha and I'd like to welcome all of you to the much awaited grand finals of the Mantri Square Bangalore Supermom Season 4. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to the Mantri Square Mall for giving us such a beautiful platform to celebrate this beautiful concept called motherhood, the Supermom. Well, before we move on to understand the construct of the contest, let's get to know the personalities who will be instrumental in selecting the winners of the Mantri Square Bangalore Supermom 2016. Ladies and gentlemen, on the panel of judges, we have with us today Mrs. Snehal Mantri, Director, Marketing and HR at Mantri Developers Private Limited. She is an HR and marketing strategy expert in the real estate sector with over 15 years of experience. She has been variously described as a dynamic leader, a pioneer of innovations and a visionary by colleagues, co-workers and the industry at large. At Mantri Developers Private Limited, Mrs. Mantri defines and drives 360-degree innovative marketing strategies for the company. Her unparalleled insight and perceptive understanding of customers' needs accelerated the firm's growth tremendously. By pioneering innovations such as telemedicine and concierge services and creative novel concepts like home care, home decor, space aesthetics and interior decorating solutions, a customer loyalty program, she has not only taken real estate to another level, but has ensured that our customers got the best of everything. As a woman, she has tirelessly endeavored to empower them financially by introducing the Smart Lady Training Program that has given housewives a platform to bring out their entrepreneurship skills. I can keep talking about Mrs. Mantri because that's the woman she is. Please join us welcoming on the panel of judges Mrs. Mantri herself. May I request Mr. Mayur Hazarika, Senior Manager Marketing, Mantri Square, to please welcome Mrs. Mantri with a bouquet. Let's hear that for her! Next on the panel of judges, ladies and gentlemen, we have with us today Mrs. Geeta Paul, who believes in the famous mantra by Winston Churchill, saying success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. She is a certified cosmetologist by profession who started her career 17 years ago and never turned back after she started. She moved up the ladder from there onward to various senior level positions in the beauty segment. After a while of experience in the field of cosmetology, she then got into operations in various beauty parlors and wellness centers. She is a partner with a chain of wellness companies, Vibes being one of them. She has helped these companies build their brand and has also bought in more clinics. Currently, Mrs. Geeta is opening her own brand, which will be the final outcome of all the experience and hard work. She aims at starting in Bengaluru and then expanding across other cities. Wishing her all the best. Please join us welcome Mrs. Geeta Paul this afternoon. Yes, we can clap louder for our judges. Yeah, come on. and gentlemen, on the panel of judges, we have with us today the very well-known Mrs. Vanitha Ashok. She's fondly known as Bangalore's fitness queen, and she's a leading fitness expert in India and Glad Rags Mrs. India finalist 2009. She's a media presenter for fitness and environment. She's also a social environment activist and lends support to various NGOs. She is a youth icon and global Fitfluential ambassador. She has won many awards, the very recent award being the iconic Woman Leader of the Decade in Health. Her mantra is, make your trip to Planet Earth a memorable one. Please join us welcoming Mrs. Vanitha Ashok. We want you to clap louder for all our judges. Warm welcome. Once again, thank you for being here to judge and give us the 3 finalists today. Ladies and gentlemen, you all know a big event like this could not be possible without support. We'd like to thank our sponsors and partners. To begin with, Idea 4G, high-speed mobile internet provider, who is our Powered By sponsor. We'd like to thank Country Vacations, Crafting Beautiful Memories, our gift sponsor. Pantaloons, our fashion partner, supporting the top 15 finalists with costumes for the personality round. The Hindu, our media partner. Reg FM 93.5 Bajate Raho, our radio partner. We'd like to thank Play Saloon, our styling partner, for supporting the top 15 finalists with hairdo and makeup for the personality round. One Life Academy, our workshop partner, for conducting a workshop on time management during the preliminary rounds. Beep Experience, our event experience partner, who has stitched and crafted from scratch Bangalore Supermom since 2013. So that already tells us, ladies and gentlemen, 2013, 14, 15, and now we are in the season 4. This happens year after year. It gets bigger, it gets better. We got 1200 plus registrations, and today we have the top 15, out of which only 3 will make it to the very top. We hope you're all excited. Yeah, should we start round 1? Yes, come on, yeah, we want you to make more noise for this. Come on, everybody watching this show, I'm sure you're gonna really have a great Sunday. Yeah? Ready for the Super Moms? So our first round, ladies and gentlemen, at the Mantri Square Bangalore Supermom 2016 is the talent round. In this round, our contestants are judged on basis of their individual talent. Contestants are free to showcase their talents in any form that they would like to in a span of 3 minutes. So we wish all our Super Moms, our top 15 finalists, all the very best as they get ready to show off their creative skills. Only if you're ready, then we are ready, yes? You ready to make all the noise for our Super Moms? Yes? Okay, so let's begin with our first contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, she gets 3 minutes to show off her very own creative skills. Please join me welcoming contestant number 502, Manisha.